for you guys. This is Mix D. Shout out to everyone, your sexy cowboy. Alright, singing OPM, mga ballads, and of course mga country music as well. And of course, most requested it. So if you do have any song request, you have something on your mind, just leave a message. I love to do it for you guys. Alright, shout out to everyone. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. And once again, we are still live streaming simultaneously to our YouTube channel, Mix Derulo. If you want to check it out, guys. Alright, shout out. Magandang gabi. Alright, to start with a lovely song for you. Alright, coming up next. Alright, maging sino ka man. Alright, okay. A lovely OPM Who Could Love song for you. Maging sino ka man by Ray Valera. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala ako pakialam, basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man, mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At dati mong pag-ibig wala ako pakialam, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. A very lovely OPM Who Could Love song for you guys. Classic and iconic, maging sino ka man. Oh, mali man ang ikaw ay ibigin ko, ako'y isang bulag na umibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Alright, maging sino ka man. Napakagandang OPM na Who Could Love song for you. Yes. Alright. And tonight, let me like to